A lot of people have a misconception that since taxes have been deducted on their salaries or payments, then they're not required to file their income tax return. Well, this is not true, guys. The general rule in most of the countries is if your total income is greater than the basic exemption limit, then you're bound to file your income tax return. And in case where your total income is lesser than the basic exemption limit, then you could file your return voluntarily. So in today's video, I'm going to explain 6 reasons why you should file your income tax return. So stay tuned.
Reason number one, proof for availing loan. When you approach a bank for loan, the first and foremost document they ask is 3 previous years income tax return. If you're employed and not file your income tax return, yet you could provide Form 16 generated by your employer and submit it to the bank for loan. However, in case of self-employed individual, your income tax return acts as a proof that you are earning good amount of money, and it will assure the lender that you have the source to repay the loan. Reason number two, carry forward of capital loss or business loss. Do you know that you could offset your previous year capital loss or business loss with current year or future year capital or business loss? To offset such loss, you need to file your return of income before the due date. Reason number three, refund of taxes deducted. In case your employer has deducted excess TDS or other vendor has deducted excess TDS, then in that case you could claim refund from income tax department by filing your return of income. Reason number four, capital slash wealth creation. By filing your income tax return, you prove it that the wealth you have created or the assets you hold with the income you earned over a period of time are out of taxed money. In short, it is a proof that the business you started or wealth you created is out of white money. Also, even when you inherit assets, the same needs to be disclosed in income tax return. Most of them skip this and face consequences at the time of assessment. Reason number five, it helps you in getting visa. Basic document asked by visa officer is income tax return, and one of the reason is it assures them that you have good amount of earnings and will be able to live comfortably in their country during the duration which you have mentioned. And the last reason is it helps in getting scholarship for children. Need based scholarships are given based on income proof of the parents. The only way to give an authenticated document on source of income is your income tax return. I hope this video was informative, and I request you to share this video to the maximum number of people so that they are aware about the same. Thank you so much for watching this.